Hi, now I will describe exercise 4. Here is my exercise 4. I have opened exercise 4 in Eclipse. You can see that there are three Java file. One is control sublet, another is people.java, and another is people.do.java. And I have also three JSP file, list, people form, and people list. Let's run people list. Here we can see that it is showing a page where there are two like clickable button. One is called add new people and another is list all people. If I click add new people, then there is a form where I can add people. For example, I can add like hello. His address is uh, status is student. Let's add him. And now we can see that we have just added this hello, and his address is like Warren and his status is student. So how this happens, so I will now describe how it happened. First I have run this people list .jsp. So here we can see that there is a list where so there is a header form where there is two like button, add new people and list all people. So we have first click this add new people. When I have clicked this add new people, then it has got the reference called new, and after getting this reference it will go to the control sublet and it will find the tag called new. Here is the new tag. After coming here, it will call this function which is called show new form. So here is show new form. When this functionality come, then it will call a JSP page which is called peopleform.jsp, and it will forward the request to the peopleform.jsp. Here is the people form. We can see that this people form has these two previous button like add new people and list all people, and below that there is a like form where there are some fields like edit people. Sorry, there are some forms like name field. We can add name here. We have to give the address in this field and his status we have to give it there. So when it click in the submit button, after clicking the submit button, that means the button name was saved. uh, it will uh, that means it will capture the value of the form, and the form value is so here is the two form action is possible. One is called update and another is called insert. You can see that two action is possible. uh, for example, if a new people comes, that means then it will be a insert a new people, and if it is a previous people, then it will update the status of the people. This action can be happen. So if a insert action happen, then it will go to the control sublet and find the insert tag here. So you can see that after coming here it will call the insert people class. uh, Insert people class is right there. So it will get the name, address and status of the people, and it will create a new it will create a basically new object of people. So here is the people object in Java. There are four main fields. One is ID, name, address and status. So it will create a object of that class, and it will uh, after that it will call a function of people do, which is insert. So you can see that here is the uh, insert in the people do. So it basically insert a new people of his name, address and status in the database. But if a if it get a tag uh, which is called update, then it would call the update people function. Here is the update people function. So update people basically these people exist from a previously, and after getting his id, this will call a function in the people do which is called update. Here is the update function. Update function basically updates the name, address and status of the people uh, who was previously existed in the database. We can see that if we can also edit delete or edit a people. So if I click delete button here, here is a people and I click the delete button. So what happens when I click this delete button? uh, Here is the delete button. If I had clicked this delete button and it got the reference of delete, and it will go to the control subnet and finds the delete tag. So here is the delete tag. It will come here, and this delete people function will be called. So this delete people will call another function of people DAO, which is called delete. Then it will go there and find the id from the database and delete the record of that person. After deleting, these people will be vanished from the database, and a new database value will be loaded. That means we can see that that previous people were deleted from this list. And also we can click the edit button or to edit the information of that person. So I have described that previously. So here is our here is my exercise 4. Thank you very much.